Good morning and most welcome to my YouTube channel Speak English Easily. My name is Sanjay. Today we'll learn the consonant sound nasal, right? International phonetic sound, and within this international phonetic sound we'll discuss about consonant sound nasal, right? So I already made videos on the 44 sounds, vowel sound and other monophthong, diphthongs, plosives, etc. So I'd like to request you to go to my YouTube channel playlist and watch those videos. Then you will get a clear picture on it, and you will get a clear concept, which will help you to learn these sounds, right? So it is very important for us. So if we want to speak English fluently and correctly pronounce English correctly, then definitely we need to learn this phonetic sounds, right? So here we'll learn today this consonant sound nasal. It is 3. So let's start. Number 1, okay, it is symbolized with m and it is produced sound and number 2, it is it is symbolized with n, it produces okay. So number 3, it is symbolized as like as n and z, so it is okay. So I hope you understood it, because already I made the videos on that before. So if you watch those videos, then it will be very clear for you. So here I am going to give you some words and sentences, so that we can clarify it and we can crystal clear on it, and we can get a better idea, deep idea on this. Okay, so first of all, number 1, it is m, and it is symbolized with m, small m, and it is produce the sound For example, here are some words available. mind, it produced the mind. Okay, definitely it produced sound. Okay, then it is map, definitely it produced sound. Then api, any, that means map. Okay, then it is man also producing the sound, definitely. And then mop, here also this is producing the sound. Okay, so if we see the sentences, then definitely it will be very clear for us. Kindly mind your language, here definitely mind producing the sound. Okay, my dear friend. So here it is second sentence, it is this is a handmade map, definitely there if we see the made, this word is containing the sound, right? And the map, here it is also containing the sound. Okay, so I hope you have understood it, and if you watch this video again and again repeatedly, then definitely you will get a idea on it. Okay, so practice makes a man perfect, so always do practice on it, then only you can achieve this information clearly. Okay, so next come to this number 2, it is okay, it is so it is symbolized with n sound, small n. So here we can find some words which will help us to pronounce this sound. It is first of all, it is no as in nose. Okay, net, net, fn, fan, nut, nut. Okay, so here if we see no as in nose, net, net, fn, fan, nut, nut. Here we have some sentences. If we read this sentence, then definitely it will clear for us. The man never fail in his life. Here the man, definitely it has the n sound. Okay, man, man. And here if we see the never word, it has also this n sound. Okay, never means n for sound, never. And in, definitely it has the sound, in, in. Okay, here if we see the next sentence, fan, here also has the n sound, sound. Okay, fan gives us clean air, definitely here if we see the clean word, here also we have the n sound. So I hope you understood this sound. Okay, So come to this number 3, it is ing sound. So here is some word which will help us to understand it. So song, song, ing sound, okay. Ng, combine the ing sound, okay. This one, ing sound. So definitely song, sung, long, lung, okay. Bang, bang, king, king. So definitely we have this ing sound, so it will be very helpful for us. And if we see the sentences, then it will be very clear for us. He sings a good song. Here in the sentence, if we see sings ing, so it helps us to produce the ing sound, right. And a good song, here also if we see the ng produces the ing sound. And then the second sentence, it is the river is very long. Yes friend, definitely this long word produces the ing sound. Ng combination produces the ing sound. So I hope you understood it. So let's come to this one. Next topic is the International Phonetic Sound and the consonant sounds approximate. It is also 3 sounds, right. It is number 1 R, number 2 W, and number 3 yeah. J means it is J. So how does it produce the sound? R for R, W for W, W, normal W, and J for yeah, yeah. Okay. So let's see. Number 1 symbolized with R, so it is produced R sound. So we have some words for it. So ring, ring, run, run, rul, rural, then re, the rad. Okay. Here this every sound is producing the r sound. Okay. So here if we have some sentences which will help us to understand it clearly. He has a golden ring. Yes friend, if we see in this ring word, we have definitely the r sound. Okay. Ring, r for r, and then e and the ring. Okay. So next one is I have a red shirt. Definitely in this red is producing the r sound, and shirt is producing the also shirt, r. Here also this r is producing the raw sound. Okay. So I hope you understood this r sound. Then come to this o sound. O, it is normal o, 2 number, it is normal o sound. So here some words are available. W double L O, W double L ul, and then water, W A T R, water, W I N the win, W O N on. So definitely this every word has its o sound, right. So next one, if we see it in sentences, then it will be very clear, crystal clear to understand it. Don't drink cold water, right. So here if we see this water, it is producing the o sound, normal o sound, water. And I have on the game, here also this w sound is producing the o sound. I have on the game. So here we have understood this o sound. So last one, it is ya sound. So ya is a very important sound for us, though it is symbolized with j, but it produces the ya sound. For example, w e double l, yell, w e t, yet, w e double l o, w, w o u n g, young, yellow, and young. Okay. So here every word is containing the ya sound. So if we see, here is some sentences, it will produce the correct pronunciation. I have a yellow shirt. So definitely this yellow is containing the ya sound. Okay, ya sound, whatever we have mentioned here, ya sound is producing here. Okay. So you have a young brother. So here also this young word is containing the y, so y is producing the ya sound. So I hope you understood this approximate 3 sound. Okay. So let's come to the last one. It is International Phonetic Sound, consonant sound. It is lateral sound, and it is number 1 only. It is symbolized with L, small l. Okay. So here if we see, it is L symbolized and it is produced the l sound, l. Okay. For example, here is some words. It is number 1 line, L I N E, line, L O W, low, L I M E, lime, L-I-G-H-T, light. So here every word is containing the l sound, l sound. So if we have some sentences, so if we see, then it will be very crystal clear for us. The light is red. Here light word definitely is containing the l sound. And then don't cross the line. Here also this line word is containing the l sound. So I hope you understood this. And if you watch this video again and again, then definitely it will be very helpful for you to understand this phonetic sounds. And if you understand this phonetic sound clearly, then definitely I'm going to give you the guarantee that you can produce the pronunciation correctly. And if you produce the correctly pronounce, if you pronounce every word correctly, then what will happen, whatever you are doing, either if you are doing any business or if you are working in a professional area or if in a corporate area, so definitely this English will have very helpful for you, and it will be make an impress on your colleagues, your boss, right? So it will be very helpful for you to grow your career, right? Career. So with these best wishes, thank you very much for watching this video. Have a lovely day. Thank you.